It's you, Carol Elkins.
I am Bob DeBecke, Carol's ex-fiancé, and I am Carol. I have a problem with birds. He has a problem with me. There should be advice for birds. Birds that thud into glass doors. Wise up, wise up. Birds that flutter down the chimney and scrabble around in the ashes. Wise up. Are you stupid? Or do you want to sit on a man's shoulder, fluffing your pin feathers, screeching, squawking curses and bloody secrets, dropping your hulls of seeds? Tell them that pirates were extirpated long ago by Teddy Roosevelt. And tell them that parrots carry seeds, and even dogs these days are nuts. And by the way, do you really think that a man should know what a bird has to say? Only if he's feeling stuck on Earth and can't fly. There used to be a time when men grew feathers and birds had human heads, but not anymore. Things are too well named now for crossing lines. No crossing lines. A man can sympathize, but there's no canceling birds. They'll thud and they'll flutter and they'll scrabble and flood and scrabble until they stop